everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to compare and arrange the given real numbers. So first, let's compare and order the given integers. So, I have here a number line. We all know that number line consists of a zero, positive numbers, and a negative numbers. So, ano nga ulit yung integers? Integers are the set of numbers consisting of the set of whole numbers and their additive inverse. And always remember that the order of the integers on the number line tell us which number has a greater value. So, for any two numbers on the number line, the one on the right is always greater than the one to the left. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Lagi nating tatandaan na ang number na nasa right side ay always na mas malaki kaysa sa number na nasa left side. Using the number line po yun, ha? Okay, so tingnan yung arrow. So mula dito sa left side papunta sa right side, ang number na yan o yung value niyan ay pataas or increasing. Now let's try comparing integers. So for example, we have negative 8 and 5. Is it less than, greater than, or equal? So the answer is less than. Why less than? Always remember that any negative number is less than two positive numbers. At saka kung napapansin nyo class, sa number line, si negative 8 ay nasa left side ni positive 5. So, ibig sabihin, mas mababa si negative 8 kaysa kay 5. Next example is negative 4 and negative 5. Is it less than, greater than, or equal? So, the answer is greater than. Ma'am, bakit mas mataas si 4 kaysa kay 5? Diba dapat mas mataas si 5? No, because they are both negative. And negative 4 is in the right side of negative 5. Diba? Ang sabi, lahat ng number na nasa right side ay mas mataas sa number na nasa left side. Okay? Another one is 2 and negative 7. So, what will be the answer? The answer is greater than. Okay, ito na naman. Ma'am, bakit mas mataas si 2 kaysa sa 7? Because 7 is negative and 2 is positive. Always remember that the negative numbers is always less than 2 positive numbers. Another one, 0 and negative 2. So, it is greater than, less than, or equal. So, the answer is greater than. So, kahit tingnan nyo sa number line, ang 0 ay nasa right side ni negative 2. And always remember that 0 is greater than to any negative numbers. Next, negative 3 and positive 3. So, the answer is less than. So, again, doon na naman tayo sa kapag negative ang number, matik po yun or automatic po yun na less than siya sa positive numbers. Next is 6 and negative 8. So, the answer is greater than. Okay? Next, how about if we are going to arrange or ordering integers? I-arrange natin ang integers in increasing order. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng increasing order or ascending order? Ang ibig sabihin nun ay mula sa mababang value pataas. At kapag sinabi naman nating decreasing order or descending order, ang ibig sabihin naman nun ay mula sa mataas pababa. Okay? Decreasing, pababa. Okay, now, let's have an example. We are going to arrange the integers in increasing order. So, for example, we have negative 12, negative 13, negative 14, 15, 17, and 16. So, para ma-arrange po natin to, magsa-start tayo sa pinakamababa. So, alin kaya dyan ang pinakamababa sa kanila? Malamang ang iba sa inyo, ang isasagot ay 12. Pero, imagine niyo po yung number line. The number that is in the left side is lower than the right side. So, yung 14 ang una nating isusulat. Ma'am, bakit 14 at saka hindi 12? Kasi yung 14 ay nasa left side ni 12. Next is 13 or negative 13. Next is negative 12, 15, 16, and 17. So, ganyan po kapag nag-a-arrange ng integers in increasing order. Another example. Negative 13, 6, negative 9, 0, negative 2, and 5. So again, let's arrange this one in increasing order. So what will be the answer? So again, magsa-start tayo sa negative 13. Next is negative 9. Next is negative 2, 0, 5, and 6. So, that is how to arrange that in increasing order. Next example is negative 8, negative 6, 6, negative 5, 4, and negative 2. So, to arrange it in increasing order, it will be like this. Negative 8, negative 6, negative 5, negative 2, 4, and 6. Now, how about if we are going to arrange it in decreasing order? So, ang gagawin lang natin, mula sa mataas, pababa. So, baliktarin lang natin to. It will become like this. So, sa number 1, it will be 17, 16, 15, negative 12, negative 13, negative 14. Next is, it will be like this. So, kung napapansin nyo, binaliktad lang natin siya. Kasi nga, ang sabi naman niya ay decreasing order or pababa. Now, let's proceed comparing and ordering fractions. So, remember, if the fractions are similar, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. And if the fraction are dissimilar but have the same numerator, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. And if the fractions are dissimilar, change them to similar fraction or use cross multiplication. So, always remember that for all integer a and b and all integers c and d, where c is not equal to 0 and d is not equal to 0. So, ganito po yon. A over B is greater than B over D if and only if AD is greater than BC. And A over B is less than B over D if and only if AD or A times D is less than BC or B times C. So, to understand it further, I will give some examples. So, for example, we have 2 over 5 and 3 over 5. So, let's compare. So, to compare this given fraction, since they are similar fraction or pareha ang kanilang denominator, ang titingnan mo ngayon ay ang kanyang numerator. Kung sino sa kanila ang mas mataas, siya yung greater, syempre. So, therefore, 2 over 5 is less than 3 over 5. Next is 4 over 7 and 2 over 7. So again, they are similar fractions. So titingnan mo lang yung kanyang numerator. So the answer is greater than. Bakit siya greater than? Kasi si 4 ay mas mataas kay 2. Okay, next. 1 over 5 and 1 over 7. So dito naman, yung numerator ang kanilang pareha. Magkaiba ang kanilang denominator. So, ang sabi niya, titingnan mo daw ang kanyang denominator. So, yung number na may mas mababang denominator, siya yung mataas. So, the answer is greater than. So, 1 over 5 is greater than 1 over 7. Okay, next is 3 over 11 and 3 over 5. Again, yung numerator niya ang magkapareha or similar, pero yung denominator ay hindi. So, tingnan natin yung denominator. Sino ang mas mababa? 5. So, therefore, dahil mababa yung denominator ni 3 over 5, siya ang mas mataas kaysa kay 3 over 11. So, the answer is less than. So, 3 over 11 is less than 3 over 5. Next example is 3 over 5 and 5 over 7. So, dito, hindi magkapareha ang kanilang numerator at ganun din ang kanilang denominator. So, gamit tayo ng cross multiplication. So, multiply muna natin yung 3 times 7. So, it will become 21. Then, multiply natin yung 5 times 5. So, the answer is 25. Yan yung magiging equivalent na ng fraction na yon. Then, let's compare 25 and 21. So, sino ang greater or less than sa kanilang dalawa? Okay, 3 over 5 is less than 5 over 7. So, ibig sabihin, yung 21 daw ay mas mababa kay 25. Next, negative 5 over 8 and negative 7 over 12. Again, let's do the cross multiplication. So, the answer is, so negative 5 times 12, the answer is negative 60. And 8 times negative 7 is equal to negative 56. And let's compare negative 60 and negative 56. So, what will be the answer? Yes, the answer is less than. Ma'am, bakit less than? Mas mataas yung 60 Since they are both negative, always remember that the number on the right side on the number line is greater than in the left side. Okay, so mas mataas yung negative 56. Next, let's try to arrange the following in increasing order. So for example, 7 over 11, 3 over 11, 9 over 11, 1 over 11, and 4 over 11. So, since they are similar fractions, so, at increasing order ang hinahanap niya, so, pataas. So, magsa-start tayo sa 1 over 11, 3 over 11, 4 over 11, 7 over 11, and 9 over 11. So, yung numerator, yung inaayos natin dito kasi similar lang naman ang kanilang denominator. So, pataas yung numerator. Next, ito naman ay magkapareha ang kanilang numerator. Magkaiba ang kanilang denominator. So, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon, yung kanyang denominator ang pagbabasihan natin. So, the answer will be 3 over 8, 3 over 7, 3 over 5, 3 over 4, and 3 over 2. So, that is how we arrange that in increasing order. Okay, next example. Paano to? Ano ba ang gagawin kapag ganito na hindi naman sila magkapareha ng numerator, hindi rin sila pareha ng denominator? So, ang gagawin natin dito ay gawin natin silang decimal numbers. So, this will be the answer. So, 1/2, 2/3, 3/4, 5 over 6, and 6 over 7. Ma'am, paano po ba yung sinasabi mong gawin natin silang decimal point? So, i-divide mo yung 1/2. Ano ba yung magiging sagot ng 1/2? 0.5 5. 2 divided by 3 then. So what will be the answer? The answer is 0.666 and ano siya? Repeating. Okay, next is 5 divided by 6. The answer is 0.8333 and the 3 is repeating. Next is 3 divided by 4. So the answer is 0.75. And 6 divided by 7, the answer is 0.85, 71, 42, and then so on. So, ibig sabihin nito, after mo siyang ma-convert sa decimal, dun mo siya i-arrange ng increasing order. Okay? So, next. How about if we are going to compare decimals? So, ito na. Comparing decimals is like comparing whole numbers. Align the decimal point, compare the digit in the same place value beginning at the left. Okay? So, the first greater digit tells the greater decimal if the decimal is positive. And the first greater digit tells the lesser decimal if the decimal is negative. So, pakitandaan. So, kapag positive yung decimal number natin, dun lang tayo magbabase ng kapag mas mataas siya, edi siyang yung greater, ganun lang yon. At kapag negative naman ang decimal, yung first greater digit, kung sinong mas mataas na digit, siya naman ang mas mababa. So, para mas maintindihan natin, let's have an example. 0.187 and 0.19. So, let's compare. So, first, we are going to align the place value. As you can see, yung first digit niya pareha lang. So, kumbaga, tie sila doon. Pero kung napapansin nyo, sa second digit, 9 is greater than 8. So, therefore, dahil mas mataas yung 9 kaysa kay 8, therefore, yung 0.187 is less than to 0.19. Okay? Okay, next. How about if we have negative 0.23 and negative 0.24? Now, let's align first the decimal point. So, since they are negative, pakitangdaang mabuti, mas mataas na number, mas mababa ang value. So, again, kung mapapansin nyo sa unang digit o sa 10th place ng ating given ay pareha na naman. Now, let's check sa second digit. So, 4 and 3. So, 4 is greater than 3. Therefore, mas mababa ang value ni 24. So, the answer is greater than. Mas mataas si negative 0.23 kaysa kay negative 0.24. Okay, next. Let's arrange the following in increasing order. Pataas daw. So, for example, we have 0.005, 0.05, 0.015. So, the answer will be this one. So, in increasing order to, pataas. So, gagamitin lang ulit ninyo yung pag-a-align ng kanilang decimal point para ma-compare natin sila at ma-arrange natin sila in increasing order. Next, 4.12 and 41.2 and 4.21. So, again, the answer will be like this. It is arranged in increasing order ha. Pataas po to. So, next. Negative 0.15, negative 0.201, negative 0.3, negative 0.008. So, this will be the answer. So, again, para hindi mahirapan kung paano mag-arrange in increasing order, i-align nyo muna po siya. I-align nyo siya para mas makita nyo kung sino sa kanila yung mas mababa o mas mataas. Okay? Next. Now, how about if we have this one? 11, 0, negative 11, 0.5, and 1/5 or 1/5. Paano natin to mai-arrange? Halo-halo na siya. So, first, yung fraction muna, gawin natin siyang decimal point para alam natin kung ano ba yung value niya. So, 1/5 is equal to 0.2. So, palitan natin yung 1/5 ng 0.2. Pero 1/5 pa rin siya pag nilagay natin sa sagot, ha. Tapos, now, i-arrange natin. So, we all know that negative numbers are lesser than any positive number. So, start muna tayo sa negative 11. Next is 0. Then, 1/5. Bakit 1/5? Kasi, di ba, ang 1/5 ay 0.2. Okay, so, syempre, mas mataas doon si 0.5. And then, next is 11. So, that's all for today. Next lesson is scientific notation. Thank you for watching.